Frameless Power Distribution System from Larson Electronics converts 3-phase 480-volt AC delta electrical current into single-phase 120 and 240-volt AC. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. The included panel is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated ruby red finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. This unit ships with the transformer and panel only. There is no frame included with this unit. It is designed for operators to mount their own carts, skids, or trailers. This power distribution system is ideal for indoor or outdoor use and applications including but not limited to construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.